Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Monday video, and we are going to be testing out the Lacnome R'energie Lift Anti-Wrinkle Lifting Foundation. It has an SPF of 20. It says it instantly lifts away the appearance of fine lines and fights against wrinkles. So it's got some sort of serum in it. It lets the skin breathe and prevents makeup from setting into lines. Skin looks smoother, feels firmer, erases signs of fatigue for a flawless, younger looking, awakened complexion. All sounds good to me. Protects from environmental damage. Known to cause premature aging. It's a little late for premature. Moisturizes, micro-lift network, extra fine dispersion of waxes, forms an impeccable shaping network on the surface of the skin. So you can have wax on your face. Maybe that's where it gets the luminosity. It's a blend of caffeine, ivy, and corn extract. Helps stimulate skin to fight against signs of aging. Micro pearls play with the light. Vitamin E nano capsules has the SPF 20. Fragrance free, non-comedogenic, dermatologist tested. Sounds good, right? Okay, let's do it. And it comes in 20 shades, and I have the shade Claire, which I will link below so you don't have to try and remember it. It'll say it. So I had to print all that out because it was a lot of stuff, right? Okay, let's get started. I just have a sample because my Ulta didn't have it. And then when I went to Macy's, I think they had it, but they give samples. So that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand and go from there. So I put some on my hand, and now I'm going to put it on with my finger. It's a little dark for me, but that's because the one that they wanted to give me was lighter, but it was cool tone. And I'm like, no, I think I'll go with a little bit darker, and I need some more out of here, but there we go. I just wanted it, I figured a little darker, but not pink, would match me better. I know it's supposed to be super lightweight. That's why I'm putting so much. Okay. We're going to go in with a brush. This is my EcoTools 360 blah 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 brush. I don't remember what it's called, but I know it was 360 and it came with 3 in the set. Wow. It has 0 coverage. Okay, I'm looking for a lightweight one anyways, right? Because my skin's been so dry lately. That's why I wanted this one, because it said it moisturized. And it actually didn't say anything on there about the coverage, did it? So we're going with the light coverage today. That's okay, right? We're good. You don't need full coverage all the time. I know I do, but not everybody wants it. And I want something that's going to moisturize a little bit. I don't think this is new either. I had just never heard of it, and I saw it on somebody else's video. I can't remember which one. And they said they liked this one for like running out the door when they were just doing errands or something and didn't want to do full coverage makeup. So I thought, ooh, I'll try it. So that's what we're doing. We're trying it. What do you guys think? I have to look in the close-up mirror now. I'm going in with a sponge, maybe. Oh, I don't think I will. Oh, maybe a little bit around my eyes. I forgot to tell you guys, I had already put my StriVectin primer on before I started this. It's really sheer, but it's definitely not gathering. Maybe it's just because it's so sheer I can't see it. It doesn't seem to be gathering. It also doesn't seem to have much coverage. It does have some glow to it. Push it up into the hairline a little bit. I don't know, guys. It doesn't have much coverage at all. But I'm still going to try it. Look at that. It doesn't even cover veins. Oh, I don't care. I'm going to try it. Okay. That's the application. The first impression is that it does not have a lot of coverage. I'm just going to have to use more concealer than usual. Otherwise, it looks pretty good. All right, I'm going to go off camera, do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I am back. This is the final look for, or it's the finished look for our Hot Flash Monday, Hot Flash and Wrinkles Monday video. It is the Lancome R'energie Lift and Wrinkle Lifting Foundation. So, it's okay. It has like very, 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 very light coverage. But it has a little bit of glow to it, and so far, it's not sinking into wrinkles. Of course, I feel like I really don't have hardly anything on, which that's good. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. So I will be back at the end of the day to let you know if it did start to sink into wrinkles or if it did break up or anything like that when I had hot flashes. So far, so good. It's very light. That's all I can say. It's very light. So I'll be back at the end of the day and let you know how it did. Okay, guys, I'm back. This is our final look for the day. And yes, I got a new hair thing in the mail. And I did a review on it last Friday. So, this is the R'energie. The R'energie by Lancome is the foundation. It's super, super, super thin. But I kind of like it. It's almost like not wearing any. I got a black spot right there. That's what I'm messing with. Is it my favorite? No. Definitely no. There's not enough coverage to it. But it's okay. It's not really sinking into lines. I was messing with I had a little black spot, which is makeup. I can see marks where I just took my glasses off though. So that's what that's from. It doesn't seem to be in these lines too much. It's just you can see these lines really good because there's such little coverage. But I like it. I give it a meh. It's like, it's not my favorite, that's for sure. It doesn't cover very much, but it did hold up to the wrinkles and the hot flashes because it's basically the same as it was when I put it on. It's kind of worn off a little bit, I guess. Actually, I don't know. There wasn't very much there to start with. So I'm going to give it a meh. Not yes, not no. Definitely not no. It's not bad at all. And that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Share this on your social media. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!